everyone, especially to our instructor, Miss Kathleen SFLPT. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about or I'm gonna explain my family tree, which is the major language families. This will be my handmade family tree. It's made of bagul sa lubi, carton, and also the branches of guava.
So, one of the major language families in the world will be the Indo-European. So, Indo-European, it is the largest family of the language. So, this will be were spoken in Indo-European. We have the Europe, South Asia. Examples of language: English, Spanish, Hindi, and Russian. Next one is the Sino or Sino-Tibetan, were spoken in the East and Southeast Asia. Examples of language in Sino or Sino-Tibetan will be the Mandarin, Chinese, and Burmese. Third one is the Afro-Asiatic, were spoken in the North Africa, Middle East. Examples of Afro-Asiatic will be the Arabic, Hebrew, Amharic. Next will be the Niger-Congo, were spoken in the Sub-Saharan Africa. Examples: Swahili, Yoruba, and Zulu. Next will be the Austronesian language family, will be the Southeast Asia, Pacific Islands. So, Philippines is one, or we are part of the Austronesian family. So, examples of language will be Tagalog, Cebuano, and Malay. Next will be the Dravidian language. It is spoken in the southern India. Example is Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada. Lastly, the Uralic were spoken in the northern and eastern Europe. Examples will be the Finnish and Hungarian. Besides of that information na ay nakabutang diri sa akong illustration board ubos sa ako ang family tree, sa mga other informations about sa mga major language families para mas ma-analyze and understand ang each language families, other branches, and the examples nga wala gi-state na ako. So that's it. Thank you everyone for listening to my family tree explanations.